HTML. Section class equals banner. Div class equals container. H1 Welcome to my website H1. P lorem ipsum dolor sit amet, consectata adipissing elit. Nullum aucta tristique nissel vel bibendum, P. Button class equals car button learn more, button. Div. Section. Sure. Here's an example of a section with a button, text, and background image using HTML and CSS. HTML. Welcome to my website. Lorem ipsum dolor sit amet, consectata adipissing elit. Nullum aucta tristique nissel vel bibendum. Learn more. CSS. Banner. Background image, URL, path to your image.jpg. Background size, cover. Background position, center. Height, 500 px. Display, flex. Justify content, center. Align items, center. Container. Text align, center. Color, #FFF. Container H1. Font size, 36 px. Margin bottom, 20 px. Container P. Font size, 18 px. Margin bottom, 30 px. Star button. Padding, 10 px 20 px. Font size, 16 px. Background color, number 333. Color, #FFF. Border, none. Cursor, pointer. Transition, background color 0.3s. Star button, hover. Background color, number 555. In this example, we have a section with the class banner that serves as the container for our content. It has a background image specified in the CSS using the background image property. The container div inside the section is used to center align the text and button using flexbox. The H1 and P elements contain the heading and paragraph text, respectively. The button with the class ** button is styled with CSS to have a background color, padding, and transitions. You'll need to replace path to your image.jpg with the actual path to your background image file. Remember to include the CSS code in a separate CSS file and link it in the HTML file using the tag. Additionally, you may need to adjust the styles and dimensions to fit your specific requirements. Let me know if there's anything else I can help you with.